Hi guys, welcome to SciTech Info. So this video is about chemical reactions and we are going to solve it easily. And for this Independence Day we are dedicating it to our country. So hi guys, this is Sai Gautam from the team of Alpha and today's topic is reaction of orthoboric acid. Yeah. Now here you have a concept map of how to balance a chemical equation easily. First, take a equation and change the mole coefficients as A, B, C, D, etc. Point number 2, list of all elements. That is, how many elements do you have in an equation you should list out. Third, activity of elements as equations. So you should take how many elements does it does have, that is if Na is 1, so you should say Na equals to 1. So you should compare on reactant and product side. Fourth, solve linear equations. So by taking that uh, atomicity of elements as equations, you can get a small linear equations. So you pretend a value for any one coefficients and solve it, so you will get all the answers. So fifth point is replace the values a, b, c, d, etc. That is, after doing the fourth point you will get values for a, b, c and d. So replace it in the equation for the first point that we changed the molar coefficients. Sixth, make it as an stoichiometric equation. That is, you should balance it and check once that it is balanced or not. So now we have an equation for orthoboric acid, that is Na2B4O7 plus HCl plus H2O gives NaCl plus BOH thrice. This is an unbalanced chemical equation. In words, we say sodium tetraborate plus hydrogen chloride plus water gives sodium chloride plus boric acid. So let's look into the solution for the given question. So by using the rule, first we have to change the molar coefficient, that is write as A Na2B4O7 plus B HCl plus C H2O gives D NaCl plus EbOH thrice. So as third point, list out the elements, and in the reactant side and the product side if we compare Na, we have 2A equals to D, that is in reactant side 2 moles of A and in product side D moles of Na. So for same for boron, that is 4A equals to E in the reactant and product side. Compare. For oxygen it is in the reactant side 7A plus C and in the product side 3E, and for hydrogen B plus 2C equals to 3E, chlorine equals to B equals to D, as it has no that is power. So like this you can take and see in the RHS, let us assume A equals to 1. So in this all you should assume a coefficient as 1. So we are assuming here A as 1. So after assuming A as 1, we will try to find what is D. So in sodium we have found 2A equals to D. So replace the A value in 2A equals to D. So we'll get the answer from there is D equals to 2. And come to the next, boron we have found 4A equals to E. So from here we can find E value. So replace 1 in the A form and find the E. So we get as E equals to 4. And from the last we have for chlorine we have wrote that B equals to D. That is D already we have found that B is 2. D is 2, sorry. So we can replace that in here. So we also get here that B equals to 2. So the remaining is C. So here for oxygen we wrote that 7A plus C equals to 3E. So here replace the formula of A and E. By getting that, you will get 7 plus 3 equals to 12. So 7 plus C equals to 12. So for finding value, send 7 that side. So you may get the answer C as 5. So now you got the values of A, B, C, D and E. Now take that and substitute in the equation which you changed. So you will get the answer at the final is Na2B4O7 plus 2HCl plus 5H2O gives 2NaCl plus 4BOH thrice. So if you want, you can check it. It's a balanced equation.